Our next part of the next part of the video is about silk, its sources and the process involved in obtaining the silk fiber. Okay, so this is part 2 video for fiber to fabric, animal fiber, and we are studying silk today. Okay, so silk is one of the most important fibers. Silk is also one of the most important fibers that we use. If I talk about silk, it is a long history. From the ancient times, silk has been discovered before cotton. Silk was such a fiber which was famous worldwide, and it was discovered in China, and it was so highly in demand that the whole world was connected because of silk. We had a silk route in name, which started from Europe, came to Mesopotamia. It started from Egypt, came to Mesopotamia to China, Mesopotamia to India, India to Japan, Japan to China. There was so vast link up. You understand how valuable this silk had been and is still. In India, still we have almost millions of worth of business going on in this by this silk. It is a very important silk fiber. So let's go through it. Okay, let's see what are the sources of this fiber. Okay, the source is silkworm. Very simple. There is a special type of silk worm, there is a special type of worm which is called silkworm, which secretes a certain type of enzyme which provides silk. Okay, there are different types of silkworms, and different type of silkworms feed on and breed on different type of trees. Okay, okay. Now see the processes involved in obtaining silk from silkworm. So first of all, if you want to get something from any object, you need to have that object in surplus. You need to have that object in surplus. So if you want to get silk, you need to have silkworm in surplus. Surplus means in huge numbers. So for having them in huge numbers, we need to breed them, we need to rear them. Rearing of silkworm has to be done, and that rearing of silkworm is called sericulture. Okay, rearing of silkworm is called sericulture. This sericulture is done according to the type of silkworm we have. There are some silkworm who are reared on mulberry trees. There are some type of silkworm who are reared on tesser. In Jharkhand is also quite famous for silk. Bihar also. In these areas we don't get this mulberry trees. We get tesser. So the silk produced in these areas, Jharkhand and Bihar area, they are tesser. Okay. But they are type of silkworm, and they give us silk. Okay, so when we rear this silkworms, we could see some of the different stages of silkworm's life. Okay, there are 4 stages in the life of silkworm. Okay, how many? There are 4 stages in the life of silkworm. The life starts with an egg. Okay, you see on this leaf we have egg. Okay, after some time, when these eggs hatch, we have here caterpillar. What do we have? Caterpillar. Okay, we have caterpillar. This worm is called caterpillar. Okay, what is the speciality of this caterpillar? No, it feeds on leaves. It feeds on leaves. The plant in which they feed on leaves, keep them eating, keep them eating, keep them eating. And after it is full, and after it is fully grown, what happens? It secretes a certain type of enzyme. Okay, it secretes a certain type of enzyme called fibroin. Fibroin. Special type of enzyme called fibroin. Okay. What is the specialty of this fibroin? That with the help of this fibroin, it covers itself with a very thin fiber. Okay, and this stage is called cocoon. What is this stage called? This stage is called cocoon. Okay, this called cocoon. Okay, or we can say pupa, or we can say pupa. Okay, so this, this cocoon is made up of, very thin fibers, which are made up of this fibroin. Okay, so actually this fibers which is obtained, which is made of this fibroin, that is only the one which gives us that silk. That is only one which becomes silk. Okay. After this pupa stage, the caterpillar matures and transforms into a new being called butterfly or moth. This is called silk moth, not butterfly. Actually, butterfly also undergoes the same process. So this is called silk moth. What it is called? Silk moth. Okay. So this transformation from caterpillar to this silk moth, this is called metamorphosis. What it is called? Metamorphosis. This whole cycle can be termed as a process of metamorphosis. Okay, this whole process can be termed as this drastic change in an organism from its childhood to its adulthood. The drastic change in the organism from its childhood to its adulthood, it is called metamorphosis. So you see that it is a worm and now it looks like an insect. Both are different. So you see there is a drastic change in an organism. So this type of change that occurs in the life of any organism, it is called metamorphosis. Okay. So this is the life cycle of a caterpillar. It is very important. Or life cycle of a silk moth. It is very important, and you need to know this. Okay. So this was the life cycle of this of this silkworm. But how do we get silk? So we get silk from this cocoon. We get silk from this cocoon. What it is done? This cocoon is collected. And what happens? It is put in the boiled water. So that the worm inside it, this worm inside it dies. And this cocoon fiber loosens up and the silk fiber is obtained from it. This process of obtaining silk from the cocoon is called reeling of silk. What it is called? Reeling of silk. And after this silk is obtained, it is sent for dyeing, and then it is sent for spinning, and then for weaving. The same process. So this is the story of silk. How silk is converted to, means how silk is obtained, how it is obtained from cocoon, and how it is became fabric. So I wish that you study this chapter properly. If you have any doubts, please send a message to this. Okay, so we will rectify that one. Okay, see you in the next class. Good day.